Sparky Sparks here. I have new hair. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is Jon Renau Rachel Lite in the shade Shaded Pralines and Cream. Now, I have worn a Rachel before, and this is Rachel Lite, so let's explore her. Now, when she comes packed, you will see a hairnet, and you just take it off. That doesn't belong on the wig when you wear it. You can just toss it aside. And I like to give her a big shake. And as you know, I always like to start on the inside. Let's see what we see. Okay, oh, this is beautiful. A beautiful cap, very light, almost see-through. You can see my hands through. So they've got silicone here on the ear tabs and on the nape of the neck. So that's going to hold it in place. I already have my wig cap on. And I've set it up for a left side part. Now this has free parting space all the way ear to ear beyond. So this is going to be helpful if you want to wear the hair up. And again, this looks hand tied, open, and very smooth, all enclosed here. So you're not going to get any hair coming back, which is also very nice. So let's try her on. So again, this is Shaded Pralines and Cream, and this is called Rachel Lite. So let's put her on. I'm down here in Newport area, so it's kind of nice to be in a different location where it's warmer. All right. Oh, this is goes on really nice. Now, instead of the wired ear tabs, this has you can still feel where the ear tabs are. What do you think? Already, I love her. So let me get my comb. Now, what I like to do first is break the part. Now, if you break the part and you decide after you've put her on that you don't like her, you still can return her. Just do not put heat or products on her, and you can return her to wigs.com. That's one of the things I like about wigs.com. Oh my gosh, let's look at the hairline. Flawless, right? All the way. Let's look on the other side. Flawless. Looks like it's coming out of my scalp. Beautiful. Love this color, Pralines and Cream. I have another, I think I have Drew in this color. Beautiful. Love the color. Kind of golden. I like the highlights. I love the waves. Now for my friends in the back. Show the back. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love her. Now, I like to always wear my hair tucked on the side. The other day I had a gal say, it can't be real, it can't be a wig because you've tucked her on the side. How do you do that? But again, it's just super easy. You just kind of find a little tuck here. She blends. You'd never know. No one's going to know. She's super lightweight. I can see this summertime cruising on my boat at the lake. Beautiful. Love her. Rachel Lite by Jon Renau. I'd love to know your thoughts. Cheers.